Good afternoon, children. So here we can start today's class. Yes. In the last class, we learned about the different features of birds, about their beak, about their feet. These all things we discussed. I hope you all learned that one.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? Yes. So in that chapter, some of the, so you may be knowing about birds, but about their feet, about their beak, is that these are special things. You got it first, isn't it? The information about their beak, about their feet, I think you got it through these classes, isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, you read the textbook, you searched it in the Google to see the different types of birds, their features. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes. Okay. So that is how I pass the information about the birds, isn't it? I conducted the class. I took the videos. I show the pictures. Through that, about the birds, I passed the some information about the birds. I passed it to you. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so by when you see Tejasri told she missed this one or two classes, so do you think did she will get the message information about the birds in those which all we discussed in the class? Do you think? Do you
No.
think those
No.
were absent in the last class? Do you think will they get information about the feeds of the birds? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, so will they get it or
No.
no? They won't get, isn't it? So they won't get. So here, children, in through these classes, we are passing information. In EVS 1 class, about the environment, you are getting informations. About in math class, you are learning, you are getting information about what is the topic now it is taking in math class?
Fraction of fraction.
Fractions, isn't it? So while the teacher is taking class, she is actually passing informations about fraction, how to add fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So passing information from one person to another, teacher is taking and passing that information to the students. So that is called communication. That is called communication. So I think you know understood about the new chapter. Which is the new chapter we are going to start now?
Communication.
Ways of communication. What it is called? Ways of communication. So take your rough book. We can write the name, chapter number, these all things. Okay. Take your rough book, children. Everyone.
Ma'am, I have already taken.
Okay, so what is today's date? It is 29, 11, 21. Okay, so chapter number 15. Chapter number 15. What is the name of the chapter? Ways of communication. Ways of communication.
15 ways of communication.
Ways of communication. Lesson 15. Ways of communication. Okay. So I already told, I communicated to you about the features of birds in the previous classes, isn't it? So communication, when does the communication take place? When we pass information from one person to another, from one place to another, we can say that communication take place, isn't it? So in this case, now is it any communication is taking place between us and the students of 4C? Do you think? Is there any communication? Yes. So before that, in the morning, yesterday, your class teacher sent a message about the class, about the timetable in the class group, isn't it? At
Yes.
that time at 1 to 140 on board 9, it was given Hindi. Isn't it? Due to some problems, I got it back my period. So I want to inform you about the class. I want you to inform you about the EVS 1 class. So what I did, children, what I did. Aradhya.
You send the message.
Okay, I
You-
sent one message in
You
the class group.
communicated.
Yeah, so you can say that I communicated, I passed that information that at 1 to 140 on board 9, instead of Hindi, you have EVS 1 period. Isn't it? So I sent a message in the WhatsApp. When I send a message in the WhatsApp, I pass the information to you. Isn't it? If I call Ishan, Ishan, are you hearing? Yes, if I call Ishan and saying, Ishan, today 4C 1 to 140, not the Hindi period, it is EVS 1 period. If I am calling and saying to Ishan, will the other students will know about it?
No.
No. So as I want to make you to inform everyone in 4C, what I did, I sent a message in the WhatsApp.
What?
Through the message, you understood and you are all ready with your EVS books. Isn't it? Isn't it, Nandita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in
Yes,
the same. So there the communication occurs. Communication took place. Isn't it? So I request Kasina, Anna Rose, Ryan, Kalbi, Asara, Ahalam, Andrea Binu, Fida, Nobin.
Ma'am,
Why?
I accidentally off my video.
So
I
you should
didn't
not
see.
do that. So switch on your videos, everyone.
I didn't see. That's why.
Asra, Ahalam, Andrea, Nobin. Okay, so take your rough book and we can write the first definition. The first new word of this chapter. First new word of this chapter, that is communication. Communication. Can you write it, children? Communication. Rahul Krishna, after a long break that I am seeing you in my class, what happened? Why are you not?
Ma'am,
Are
in
you-
book.
Yes, in rough book. Yes. Rahul, tell me spelling of communication.
Communication.
Communication spelling. Read it fast.
Communication.
What is that word?
Communication.
Okay, Ronit Lijo, what is the spelling of communication?
COMMUNICATION.
Okay, so first we want to know what is communication or when does the communication take place? When we can say that communication occurs or take place. Communication occurs when we pass information from one place to another. When we pass information from one place to another. Yes, Veda, tell me, when does the communication take place or when does the communication occur? Yes.
When we pass information from one place to another.
Okay, one place to another or one person to another, we can tell it. Okay, so next one, Ardra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, dash can occur when we pass information from one place to another. What can
Communication.
occurs? Communication.
Communication.
Okay. So Nia,
Yes, ma'am.
when we can say that communication take place,
Occurs when
Ah.
we pass information from one place to another or one person to
to
another.
another. Very good. Very good. Okay. So Abdiel, Abdiel,
Yes,
in this class, is it a communication take place?
Yes.
Yes, communication is there. See, when I ask you something, so you will be passing information, isn't it? So that is called communication. So I hope you completed, everybody completed this about communication.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody complete?
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Ryan Harris, are you writing? Ryan Harris, are you
Ma'am.
writing in rough book?
Ma'am, I joined now only.
Why you joined now? Why? What happened?
Share the definition of communication
Okay,
again.
okay. Veda, Andrea, Asara.
It is in the
Arya-
textbook.
Wait, Ryan, Stenin, Ahalam. Everyone switch on your video fast.
Ma'am, should we write the definition?
Yeah, it is not the definition of communication. When does a communication take place? Answer of that one. Okay, Ronit?
It is there in the textbook.
Yeah, it is there in the textbook also, but you should note it in your rough book. Okay, because by writing also we need to do it. You should get writing practice also. Yes. So children, communication, which all ways are there to communicate? Which all methods are there for us to communicate? That is what we want to know now. Okay, which all ways we can use it for communication? Can you tell me?
Newspaper.
Newspapers, yes, very good. Newspapers are one of the ways to communicate. Today, in the newspaper, yes, Shaba Maria, tell
Ma'am,
me.
letters.
Letters, these all are very good examples of ways of communication. Yes, Adish? Adish? Okay, PG and C before the letter, before the this one newspaper, or before that ancient time, people used the pigeon, passenger pigeons for communication. Very good. Okay. Yes. Yes, Stenin Joby, tell me.
News.
News. Okay, news in newspapers, news in radios, news in television. Say, Stenin, are we getting information or live through the news, Stenin?
No, ma'am.
No.
Books.
So some, yeah, so through some good news, television programs are there. Through some audio programs also, we are getting information about it, isn't it? So we are getting lots of information through radio, through television, through newspapers, through letters, isn't it? Yes, Kasina, what you want to say?
Ma'am, study well.
Already?
Messengers. Ma'am,
Huh.
ma'am, Tejasri is Tejasri, so dear, there is some disturbance, so I can't see anything.
Tejaswi.
Ma'am,
I can't-
talking in between. Books. Ma'am, we have to read more and do writings.
Okay. So here, children, now we are going to write about ways of communication. Heading, ways of communication. Which all methods we can communicate, which all ways we can use it for communicate. So we already discussed these all things, isn't it? First one through radio. So how many of you are hearing radio nowadays? Benedict. Okay, Benedict. So Benedict, tell me, What all informations you are getting through the radio?
Ma'am, about coronavirus.
Okay, about
Songs?
the daily news, about the daily news. Yeah.
Ma'am, the new virus. The new virus.
New virus. Okay, okay. So about the new things that which are around us, happening around us, what it is happening around
Ma'am,
us.
I have something to
Abdiel,
tell.
Abdiel, yes.
Ma'am, there are songs and stories like some
Yeah.
really happened.
Yeah, some stories. Yeah, very good. So through that stories and all, we can learn something from it. So they are also passing information, isn't it? Isn't it? Ishan,
Yes.
Rajiv, are you doing something else there? Huh? No. Okay. So is there any other one? Yes, Aradhya, tell me what you know, what you hear, what you like to hear through radio.
Ma'am, I want to see that when mobiles also we can see the communication.
Yeah, we can use mobiles for communication. That is the most advanced technology, isn't it? Through the radio, we can hear audio form of communication. Radios are audio form of communication. We can't see it. Only through the
Ma'am.
sound we can understand, isn't it?
Ma'am, I have
But
something.
mute your audio, everything, children. Yes. Yes, Abdiel, what you want to say?
Ma'am, now in mobiles also the radio is working.
Yes, video is there. So first ways of communication. First one we discussed about radio. Next one, television.
Ma'am,
Isn't it? Yes, televisions are a good source of communication. We can see through the television, we can see, we can hear, isn't it? Both audio and video form. And in the same way, internet. That is also. Then mobile phones.
Ma'am,
Mobile
can
phones.
Kasina say something about mobile phones?
Yes, Kasina, tell me.
Ma'am, we will record our classes and put it in the YouTube so we can repeat it so we can get more communications about.
Yes, we can have those who
Ma'am,
miss the class, they can communicate, they will get the information. Very good. So these all are technically advanced ways of communication. Now see children, in this pandemic,
Again, ma'am, I did.
Okay. So in this pandemic time, children, listen. Those who already completed, listen. In this pandemic time, you can see that if this technology is not well in advance, how we will take the class? We can't pursue our studies. Your learnings will get stopped, isn't it? But what we did with the help of the technology, using this Zoom platform, we are pursuing our studies, continuing our studies. We are passing information, we are communicating. You all are sitting at your home, but we teachers are there at school and communicating, passing information. Isn't it? These all are the result of the advanced technology. And next one. And wait 1 minute. Television, internet, mobile phones. Using these all, we can have audio and video communication. Isn't it? Audio and
computer also.
yes, computer. Yes, mobile phone, computers, that. And next one, letters. Through letters, we can communicate. Through newspapers, we can communicate. Today also, we understood about the new dangerous mutated coronavirus. New mutated coronavirus is there. So we understood about, we got information about that virus through the newspaper. It is there in South Africa.
Ma'am, someone is talking in between.
So Casina, without my permission, don't unmute, okay? Everyone mute your audio.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
I say one?
Okay, Aradhya, if you want to say something, student, you should get permission from me. Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, postman's.
Postman is a messenger. Messenger. He is carrying the letters to us, isn't it? So that is a messenger. He is only a messenger. See, Adish told pigeon, passenger pigeons. Passenger pigeons they are only bringing the message, isn't it? Can we call them as communication? They are they are bringing the letters. They are messengers. Got it? Yes, Abdiel, what you want to share?
Ma'am, teaching is also passing information.
Yes, that is why different subject. Math teacher is also communicating with you. Social teacher, language teachers, isn't it? So yes, Anandita. Yes, Anandita. Books. Yes, when you are reading textbook, you will get lots and lots of information. So letters, newspapers, books, magazines. Okay, books, magazines, these all are also different ways of communication, different ways of methods of communication. Clear? Is it clear? So here, different ways of communication that we have discussed. Example for ways of communication: radio. Second one, television, internet, mobile phones, computers. Then the third type, that is letters, newspaper, books, magazines. Okay, so likewise, so many are there. Inland letters, postcard, envelopes, this all we can say it. So children, when I write the example for ways of communication, you can see a pattern. Can you see any pattern in this?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, what is the pattern which you can see?
Ma'am, one is audio only and
Yes,
second one
first
is
one.
audio and
First
video
one, that
and
is,
next
yeah, very good, very good. Audio form of communication. Okay, so there are
second one
three.
is internet.
Yeah, second one, what we can call, which form?
With
Ronit,
audio and video.
Ronit Lijo, why you are taking another phone? Is there any problem? Then why you are using that one? Switch off it and keep it aside. Don't touch it. Okay. So second one, television, internet, mobile phone. These are not only we are getting audio, video form. Okay. So we can write it as, sorry. We can, wait 1 minute. We can write it as,
Ma'am, can you tell Abdiel to mute?
Abdiel, please mute. Okay. Next form is video. Oh, wait. Video form. Okay, so for audio form of communication we discussed, that is only radio. And one more is there, children. Land phones. Land phones. Yeah, how many of you have land phones at your home? Yes, Gasina,
Ma'am, it
Aradhya.
was there, it gone.
Yes, so land phones, through the land phones, can we see?
No.
Can we see? No, we
No.
can talk. We can only talk using that one. Isn't it? We can only talk. So we can call land phones also as example for audio form.
Ma'am, in my mother's house there is a land phone.
Okay. Nowadays, these land phones also were replaced
Can you
by
share
these
the
mobile
screen?
phones. Nobin and Aisha, I feel you are not noting, Jovial also, not noting down the points. Are you noting down the points? Huh? Jovial, Nobin, Aisha, I can see you are simply sitting there. Nobin. Aisha, switch on your video. Ryan Yunus. Okay, Nobin. Very good. Ryan Yunus, Ahalam, Andrea, Anna, Rose, Kalbi. Switch on your videos fast. Okay. Though, see, everyone should write
Ma'am,
it.
can you share the board?
Yes. So here, another one, letters, newspaper, books, magazine. Which form of this one
Ma'am,
may be?
letter,
Yeah.
alphabets,
No, not alphabet, written form. Okay,
Right.
that is written form of communication, written form of communication. So today we learned what do you mean by communication? After that, we learned about ways of communication, isn't it? See, the example for different ways of communication, radio, television, letters. In that also, there are three forms are there. Audio form of communication, video form of communication, written form of communication, written
Excuse
form
me,
of yes.
ma'am. Internet is which form of communication?
Video form of communication through the internet. Through the internet we will get information, we can read the information, and also we can hear the information, we can see the information using internet, isn't it, Bhagya? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So video form, audio form, written form, these all included using the internet facilities.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, we can write it as video plus audio form.
Video plus audio. Okay, but mostly we can include it in the video form. Okay, no problem. And another one. See, books, magazine, which form of communication? Written form of communication. So tell me, your textbook and workbooks are there. Am I right?
Yes.
You have textbooks and workbooks. Is it any form of communication?
written form of communication.
Communication. Yes, these are written form of communication. Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you share the screen?
Yes, not completed. Huh?
I'm finished.
Yes. Okay. So yes. So let me ask you some questions. Ardra, can you give example for Ardra? Can you give
Yes,
me
ma'am.
example for written form of communication?
Letters, newspapers,
Okay,
books.
any one item. Okay, so here let me share you one thing. Okay, so I will show you some pictures. Some pictures of written form of communication. Can you see it? Blue colored paper.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
These are called inland letters. Nowadays, nobody is using it. All are using emails, isn't it? Emails or putting the message in the envelope, putting the message in the envelope and sending it. So we're writing the letter in a paper and put it in the cover and seal it and send it in the. But before that, we now also these are inland letters are there in the post office. We will get these all letters from the post office. For 1 rupee or 75 paise is there for the cost. So we can take this inland letter. Can you see the some lines are there on it? There we have to write the, if I want to send a message to Asara.
And
Okay.
choose one.
Yeah, if I want to
Choose
send
one
a
picture.
message to Asara, I have to write the which one? Address of Asara. Asara's name of the person, house name, house number, which place it is. Okay, so that all I need to write
Can
it
you
on the
take
top.
one picture so that we can see?
Sorry, who is talking in between?
Select one picture. Select one picture so that I can see it.
Okay, so see, I am showing it for so many types are there, no? That is why. Okay, anyhow, I will show this. Yeah, this is, so here you can see in the top part, you can write the name and address of the to whom you want to send. And in the down, you can write here, you can write the sender's address. Okay, if I am sending it to Asara, I should write the name and address of Asara on the top, and down, I have to write my name and address. Okay, at the back of it, there is space, one full space is there. Yeah, there we can write the message, what we want to write it in that, we can write. After that, we can fold it and seal it and put it in the post box. That all we will discuss after this. Okay, so nobody will see our message. Okay, another type is there. Let me show you that one. Wait. Yeah, see, can you see this one? Yeah, can you see this one? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
This is called postcard. Okay, this is called postcard. Wait. I will show this one. Okay, so this one, so if I want to send a message to Nia Mary, I should write Nia's name, address of that person, and backside it is a full space is there. There I can write the message. But here, the message which we are sending, that all can see. It is not sealed. Okay, they can see that. So in the inland, if we are writing the message, nobody can see. We will cover it and we will seal it. So I think children, for the next class, you have to collect if these type of written form of communications are there, you have to collect it. Ask to your parents. There will be some postcards, inland letters and all. Okay. And at the end of this chapter, all should send a message to your friend in the inland letter, using inland letter. I will help you how
I
to.
don't have an inland letter.
Okay, whatever it is possible, you can use emails then at that time. Okay. Otherwise, postcard or envelope, paper and envelopes, you can use it there.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
all are ready? After at the
Yes.
end of this chapter, all should write a letter to in the inland letter to your friends.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now New Year, Christmas days are coming, New Year is coming, so you can wish them.
Okay,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? Huh? It's a good idea, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So we will learn some more about this communication in the coming classes.